Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Have you just updated your Windows and now Outlook won't open or just act completely weird? This is actually a pretty common issue after a major Windows update. Sometimes update can mess with compatibility, corrupt Outlook files, or change settings that break how the app functions. In this video, I'll show you the best troubleshooting methods to resolve Outlook issues caused by Windows Update. And in case if you need more help, our tech experts are available at the numbers displayed on the screen. Let's fix this and get Outlook smoothly running again. Method 1. Open Outlook in safe mode. First, you should click the Start menu, search for Run and open it. When the Run command box appears, type outlook.exe/safe into the field and click on OK. Now, a confirmation box will pop up. Click OK and check if Outlook opens now. If opening Outlook in safe mode does not help in fixing your Outlook problem, then let's continue with the next method. Method 2. Uninstall the OS update. First, you need to open the settings page on your Windows device. After that, click on the Windows Update option from the left panel. Then, go ahead and click on the Update History option. On the Open page, scroll down to Uninstall Updates option and then click on it. Next, go to the latest update and click on Uninstall option next to it. If Outlook is still not working on your device, then follow the next solution. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if these solutions are helpful in fixing the issue. Method 3. Force close your Outlook. Go to your keyboard and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape buttons on the keyboard to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager window opens, look for Outlook.exe option. After that, select the End Task option.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.